One of the first principles of marriage resilience coaching, psychotherapy, counseling, medicinal practice, or pastoral care is to develop a working rapport, a therapeutic alliance with the patient, client, or member. A therapeutic alliance is not confidentiality, but confidence ability, where a person has confidence to share their dilemma, knowing that you are competent to intervene and help. There are two ways of many that an individual gains confidence in you: competence and relationship. If you are competent, it implies that you have the relevant basic knowledge needed to help. But can you be trusted? The second question is more critical. If you have a historically positive relationship with a person, then they will trust you based on the quality of your relationship. Without trust, confidence, and faith in the doctor, the patient will not put into practice the treatment plan that seeks to bring healing. The same principle is also true in marriage resilience coaching. Without a therapeutic alliance, without trust, we will not be able to apply to our lives the guidance and coaching that is given. Therefore, completing this course is an important step towards confidence ability. It will help you to become competent, and as those who already have a relationship with you reach out to you, they will be confident to trust you even more because you are also competent. In this way, you can be professional and friendly at the same time. Now, here's something for you to consider. Did you know, for every person who visits a marriage therapist, there are more than 100 couples that should but cannot or choose not to seek help due to various reasons. And among those reasons, here are few of them. It is too expensive, it is too time consuming. There is a stigma attached to those who seek help from a counselor or therapist. There are very few credible therapists. Those are some of the reasons. On the flip side, for every one competent and academically qualified counselor, there are more than 1,000 lay people, religious leaders, family members, and friends who offer marriage counseling without the basic skill set needed for such an intervention. Even if government legislates against this practice, it will never stop. People in distress prefer the counsel of those who are close to them. The relationship makes the exchange trustworthy, and in most cases, it works. A dynamic society is one that responds positively to the realities that are inevitable. Marriage resilience coaching is a proactive response to empower and certify people who can prove their competence by completing the marriage resilience course and pass with excellence. The quantity of marriage counselors is increasing. We need to increase the quality. We just want to upskill you to improve the quality of interventions at grassroots level. In this way, a regular couple can be confident in the competence of the counselor, which might be a family member, religious leader, and friend, to understand their predicament and guide with professional finesse. What is equally dangerous to not going to a qualified counselor is being helped by an incompetent and unskilled person to prepare or help repair one of the most precious relationships on earth, marriage. In this course, you will learn and master the process of assessment, how to structure a feedback session, construct strategies for promoting emotional acceptance and change. You will explore communication and problem-solving training for marriage resilience. Yes, you will learn how to listen, to interpret and assess without bias or prejudice, but with professional finesse as a certified marriage resilience coach.